2021. We have a performance Model Y here with the 21-inch wheels. If you have a Tesla Model Y performance or even Model 3 performance, now it comes with this Uber wheels, and you can look at this wheel. It's actually stretched out to reach the rim, so this rims is very prone to get curve rash. Compare that to, let's say, the Model 3 18-inch air wheels. The tire actually protrude slightly out, protecting the rim. So if you ever hit a curve slightly, the tire will protect the rims. Versus in the Model Y, you can curve the wheels first before you even hit the tire. So there's no protection for these nice looking 21-inch wheels. And how you can add protection to this wheels is buying some rim blades. So here I have in front of me rim blades that provide protection for all your wheels. Even the Model 3, the 18-inch, it still get curve rash from slightly hitting the curve. So the tire do provide some protection, but your rim is still exposed. So any impact to a curve, you will damage your rims. And let me show you. This just happened a couple days ago. The tire did provide the first impact, but there was no protecting it because we were parallel parking, and it's hard to see the front wheels because there's no camera that will be able to show you how close you are to the curve. So if you have curved your wheels and you don't want to pay $80 to $100 to have it re-coated again, that's how much it costs to fix this. You can try to sand it down, repaint it, but that paint will come off over time. So the best way to repair a rim is to re-powder coat it. So they strip down this powder coat and then they reapply a new powder coat, and that will last forever, assuming you don't hit another curve. So these rim blades, it comes in a set of 4, and I'll post a link in the description of this video where you can purchase this. I have a promo code that will provide you additional discounts as well. So definitely check out the description of this video and order your RimSaver using that link, and you will get yourself some discounts to these. It does come in a variety of colors. So depending on your taste, you can get this in burgundy, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. This red actually matches the Tesla performance caliper fairly closely, as you can see. So if you like that contrast, it also comes in white, a shade of silver, gray, as well as brown and black. I like the stealth look, so we actually got black ones for both of these vehicles. Okay, so each kit you get customer satisfaction guarantee, quick installation guide. They do provide a pre-recorded installation video. Highly recommend watching that before installation. So these comes in 4 sets. You do get super glue. This is not to glue this onto your wheels, but just to put the cap on the seam. Some super glue. This is not to glue this onto your wheels, but just to put the cap on the seam. They do provide you with 3M promoter, and you apply this on the surface of your rim after you clean it, just to increase the adhesion of this 3M tape, so it helps adhere to the rim for a very long time. Get sticker and some cleaning alcohol wipes. Now we will demo the installation of the RimSaver by RimBlade. First off, you want to take out the RimSaver without peeling off the 3M adhesive, just to have a better feel on how it will go on your specific rims on this Model Y Performance. And once you have an idea of how it will go on, go ahead and open up the kit. The kit does provide 3M alcohol wipes used to clean your wheels. So you're supplied with 4, 1 for each wheel, and that's more than sufficient. So these are fairly new wheels, just straight off the factory a couple weeks ago. So it should be clean, but you'd be surprised. There are still some grime from driving over the last couple weeks, either grime or dust brake, or even any coating that the manufacturer put on your rims. For example, wax, any ceramic coating. You want to be able to clean that off and have a clean surface before you apply the promoter. Again, the promoter is needed to ensure the adhesive does stick to your rim firmly so it doesn't come off. So make sure you wear gloves. These are carcinogenic and very toxic. So you want to apply at the edge of where you will apply the rim saver. You don't want to put this all over your rim. And again, just go around the rim very slowly. Make sure you get all the edges. And once you feel comfortable, let it sit for 5 minutes before applying the actual rim saver. So I like to start off with 2 to 3 inch peeling off of the 3M adhesive. You don't want to peel off the whole entire adhesive. You just want to start with 2 to 3 inches. And I like to go counterclockwise. It's just because I'm right-handed, it just feels more natural versus trying to go clockwise. So from right to left. And I like to start at 12 o'clock, work my way around to 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and so forth. And as you use the edge to line up the rim saver along with your rim, at the same time you pull off the red adhesive tape. So as I move with my left finger, index and thumb, I press down using my thumb once I feel comfortable it's aligned with the edge. And again, take your time, especially with the first wheel. Use your index and your thumb on the left hand and your right hand as a guide to pull off the red tape. And if you get more comfortable, you can start moving a lot quicker. But I like to pull off about 2 to 3 inches of the red tape as I'm pushing in on the adhesive onto the rim. Because once you press on the adhesive, there's no turning back and trying to pull that back up and align it. So just take your time, be patient, and as you work around the wheel, you will feel a little bit more confident in the next wheel and the third and the fourth. But again, don't put your guards down because you want this to align with the wheel as much as possible so you have an even circle at the end of the installation. So I'm going to speed this up. So you can see I'm working around the clock, counterclockwise, and pressing in with my thumb as I pull off the red tape with my right hand. I do recommend having a small stool while you work on the wheels. It's easier in the back, and as you approach the bottom of the wheel, I recommend sitting on the floor to get a closer look, and that will help with easing the installation process. So again, always check the work and press in where you feel necessary just to ensure the adhesive is working and adhering to the rim. And as you work back to the beginning, you want to pull the red tape right up until where the RimSavers start, and then get a sharp scissor. And then once you have the scissor in place, just cut off right at the edge so you have a flawless seam. Then go ahead and grab the super glue gel, which is also provided in the kit, and also grab the seam cover, and this will cover up the seam, and you will adhere this using the super glue gel. Go ahead and put the cap of the super glue gel on, turn clockwise tightly, and that will unlock the super glue gel. Release maybe a couple dots onto the seam cover and place the seam cover slightly onto the seam. Light pressure for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then let it set. And after about 10 minutes or so, the vehicle is ready to be driven. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, and if you are looking to purchase this, check out the description in the video, and you can find a discount promo code with it. Catch y'all next time.